Welcome back, guys. It's me, Code. Today, I'm gonna be doing doing a revisit on my mob grinder. I basically made some changes so that there'll be the existence of the new auto cooker that works on every kind of mobs. Because when you have like a constant flow of lava, regardless of how thin, okay. I'm having some voice problems today. I beg your pardon, everyone. So basically, any kind of lava you're gonna be using, no matter how thin it is, it will cause the mobs to float. So yeah, it may be loud, but it's actually a lot more efficient because before it only works on pigs. So yeah, okay. Further, moving on, we also have this new loot disposer. It's not really that big. It's actually a lot more compact, and that's about it. We also made some changes to the sides because sometimes the original design doesn't really work. So I made some changes here, reduced the amount of redstone, and yeah, well, that's basically it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to start things off, we're going to be setting up a place to put lava. Gonna do it like this. Whoa. Just like that, and that put the dispenser there, and we're just gonna seal it up. But for now, I'm gonna do something like this, and we're gonna seal it up now. Put some lava there, close it up. You can, instead of lava, you can probably just use like the cactus blocks or something else that breaks blocks, or you can just like store it in another place or put an ender gate behind under there. But enough wisecrack. Let's just get back to working. We're gonna put some chests now over here, like so, and we're gonna be putting hopper. Okay, and we're just gonna do something like this. Now from here, we're gonna break this. Add 2 torches. Get rid of the hopper. Yeah, get rid of the hopper. Test it out. Put my lever. Seems to be working just fine. But let's put our lever just over here. Or better yet, let's just put it over here. So from there, we can already assume that this is ground level already. Now, this is gonna be so that we can dispose of our loot. We don't need the lava right now. We're gonna take this away. Get ourselves whoops. I guess I'll figure that out later. So we're gonna be using a rail. Place it there. Put a minecart with hopper. Now we're gonna get some slabs. Whoa. Oh boy. like so, and just like that. Now from here, we're gonna be using pistons. And we're going to be using, where are you? Magma blocks and a hay block, or should I say hay bale. So you just need to put like one in one side. We'll just put our hay bale there. I want more facing here, or is that not possible? I guess that's fine. From there, we're gonna be using a button. This will act like our switcher. And now we're going to build up. You're not going to cover this over here just yet. We're just gonna cover it only up to this part. And we're gonna be putting our, like so. Take this off, replace with the trapdoor. Like that. Now we're going to like do like that. Do like this. Now this is just for design. The main purpose of this is so that they won't escape. It acts the same way as these half slabs, so they won't be able to escape these. Another thing would be we sometimes want this close if we're gonna be dealing with like rabbits. So yeah. From there, we're gonna go a few blocks high. I prefer just about this height, but sometimes when items fly, they actually fly a little bit too high, because we're gonna be dealing with lava. So I prefer like one more, yeah, just one more level. We're gonna take a sign, put the sign there. From there, we're gonna be using a dispenser. Put the dispenser there. Put this there. Okay, we're good to go. From here, we're going to be putting some solids. Now, you probably get the idea what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be putting this here, we're gonna be putting this there, and we're gonna put a redstone over here. Now this works like this. Now it turned off because that's how it initially is, but when you turn it on again, like so, it will act the same way as when you're putting 3 redstones over here. So yeah, it should be just fine. I turn this off. This is rather laggy because it's so fast, but this is basically the main reason why we need it. Now from here, we're gonna work up a switch. Work down. And we're gonna put works the same way. So we're gonna go a little bit down. You know what? Let's just work with this. Yeah, we'll make it this way. Because I prefer to, like, when the machine turns on, I really want the light over here to turn on. So when this is on, the light also turns on. From there, you also want to have like buttons, because sometimes the lava remains, sometimes it doesn't. So let's just make this the day right now. I prefer time set 300 because day is kind of like short. The sun would be like high noon, while this is like sunrise. So yeah, we have more time when it's like this. We're just gonna put another button here for it to be symmetrical. From there, we have already set up the main feature of our farm here. So yeah, congrats. We're gonna be using a 3-block high entrance over here. From there, we can already seal it up. The water ends here, and then we're going to be making a 5x5 platform over here. And then sealing it up. Okay. Now we're gonna be using some water. I'm gonna copy some and inside. We're gonna be using some water. We're gonna place it here. This will cause a stable stream so that we can float down. Did I make this uneven? Yep, it's uneven. Okay. Now, I actually did this before, this kind of farm. The main difference is I tested it out with different mobs. Majority of the time, like having a constant stream of lava actually works because the pigs actually get cooked. But sad to say, when you're dealing with rabbits, chickens, or cows, they somehow float in the lava. So it's not really ideal. I can make like thin strips of lava, but then again, it's gonna cause a lot of lag because to keep it thin constantly, you have to make sure that you won't be there's like a piston that will cut between the two flows of lava. So since there's not much difference compared to just using a redstone clock, we're just gonna be using a redstone clock anyway. So here we're gonna just put some. Okay, we're just gonna put some sticky pistons here. Then we're gonna put some dirt. And you know what? At the end of this video, let's test out some all of the different mobs, such as pigs, rabbits, chickens, cows, you name it. All of the farmable mobs. I don't think llama is actually like a farm mob because it's kind of like a horse. So yeah. Okay, now that we set this up, we're gonna be using our redstone. We're gonna be using tripwire. And I'm sorry, because of my texture pack here, it's not really clear. when I use string, you can hardly see the string, so it's not really clear. I guess if I'm going to be dealing with some traps and not being able to see any string, I'll be like in such a big disadvantage. There, right there, you can't really see anything. Okay, this is so disadvantageous. So from here, oh yeah, I forgot. On a side note, I found a new technique that actually works a lot better, because when dealing with these kinds of things, technically the torches are actually there so that the entire thing will remain on. So there's a problem with that. Sometimes it won't work, sometimes it will glitch out. That's because aside from turning off the torches, the block over here is actually being updated to turn on, so which is problematic for us. But that's a quick solution. We're just gonna make it like this at the sides. Now do like that. And then we're gonna put our torches at the sides. No longer in the same place as what we did last time. But yeah, same technique, we're gonna do this. Now it should work the same. We're gonna make it high so that the animals won't be able to jump out. From there, we're going to be using some lighting so that the spawner will be kept on. I'm gonna use a sea lantern. We're gonna put this there, put this there, put this there, and one there. After that, we're gonna be using some torches. So one here, and we're good to go. We're gonna seal up the farm here. Just like that. Now this is basically the farm, but on a side note, we're gonna be doing something like this. I'm gonna break that. Whoops. Yep, I did the whoops. Sorry guys. Yep. Yeah, okay, this is better. We're gonna do that. Okay, this is off. Now on. Off. And for this part, we're gonna be using a redstone lantern. Maybe we're gonna move down a little bit more. On. Off. And then we're gonna put our oh, you know what? We can just do it like this. This is technically ground level over here. Where the chest is, this mark line over here is actually ground level. So we're gonna break this. We're gonna put back the torch there. We're gonna take away everything and put a lever there. Okay. Or get some andesite and some ladders. Okay. Now the ladders are used so in this way because I want it symmetrical just for the art's sake. But we're gonna be using the ladder so that when you want to switch the spawners, or when you're gonna be adding spawners, you won't have to like make some ugly block tower and whatnot. Yeah, so this is technically ground level. We're gonna be using some slabs. From here, we're gonna be using this guy. And then we're practically good. now that everything's finished and all, as promised, I'm gonna be showing you guys the how it works with the different kinds of mobs. So we need to turn this on first. This is why you should make sure that there's nothing above. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna leave them like that for now. But I'm gonna change the mobs before I add some more. So one of it will be a cow. One of it will just remain a pig. The other would be where's the chicken here? Oh, this will do. One of it will be a rabbit. And then we're gonna increase the block height. So just so that they won't be able to like jump in. Okay, that's good enough. Now one of it's a rabbit, so and we're gonna be having a chicken. Next is a sheep. No, I'm gonna search it. Sheep. And the last one, let's see. Maybe the hole is not really that big for polar bear. Llamas maybe? Yeah, let's do a llama. Yeah, let's do a llama. Okay. Well, this is basically everything. Reset cook mode. We have cows. Oh yeah, we should probably set this up because we don't want the lava to actually remain there, because the mobs actually get stuck there. So far, it's working just as well. Yeah. So basically, this is the use of the lava thing, because we can't have it. We can't have it that you're gonna have lava constantly there, because they can actually try to float on lava. So that's the problem. And this is my man. I'm sorry. This is the revisited mob grinder. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye bye.